Hey guys, welcome back to Wild Moonlight Vlogs, or hello if you're new. My name is Raven, and on this channel I like to talk about everything handmade, homemade, and cozy. And starting this month on Wednesdays, I'm going to be doing homemade videos. So that means I'm going to be testing out recipes or sharing new recipes that I find with you guys. And this week I wanted to try a banana muffin recipe. I've been making a lot of banana bread this whole quarantine situation, I'm sure a lot of us have been, and I decided I wanted it in muffin form because then it's just a little bit easier to portion out, and different presentation just makes it a little bit nicer. So I looked on Pinterest to see if I could find a recipe, and I found one that claimed to be the best muffin recipe. So I had to give it a shot, and I am pretty happy with how it came out. I am a sucker for anything with a crumble topping, so this is definitely up my alley, and I will be sharing the link to it down below so you can get all of the measurements. And yeah, let's jump into the rest of the recipe now. Here is the final result of the muffins. The recipe itself is nice and moist. You're not getting a dry muffin, which just does not sound good. The crumb topping is nice and crispy, a little bit of crunch, nothing too extreme though. I really enjoyed how these came out, so I hope you guys give the recipe a try. Please make sure to hit subscribe, and don't forget to find the magic in the small things. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!